guys, this was a back video. It's your girl Jaleaha. And that with it. And Jenny's over there hiding. So we're gonna be doing monkey part 2. Way more. And this time it's Jaleaha. Alright, let's go, boys. Let's do this. We're gonna do boys and girls. Alright, let's see. Alright. Let's exit out the face cam. Alright, let's go, boys.
I'm not hiding.
Hello. Hi.
I'm not hiding. I'm not hiding.
What did you say? She said
I'm not hiding. I'm not hiding.
Oh. I'm not a fatty.
I didn't say you were.
In the song, I think that's the song.
Oh yeah. I'm not hiding.
You're not hiding?
I'm just being the step for y'all.
Oh. Okay.
Because I'm mad.
Gonna leave that. That was awkward. Hi. Yeah, another one coming on. Are you a rapper? Say it again. Say it again. Say, are you a rapper? No. He looks like a rapper, but I don't know if he actually is one. Hi.
Oh my God, my baby. That's not she.
I'm actually her cousin.
Are you?
Yeah. She said, do you have an accent? I don't know. No, he doesn't.
Oh, never mind. I thought I heard one after.
It was probably just her. It was probably just Janice. Alright, come on, boys. We know when to see you. So we're gonna go to another one.
Hold my baby, why?
Here.
Oh, push your head.
Oh.
Hold my baby.
Okay.
Don't hold she. Don't.
Alright, that was for nothing.
This is my baby.
It's time for y'all bedtime, bro.
Yeah, she's right, but it's time for her bedtime too. So only people come up. What the heck is? Oh. It looked like he had a black face.
Oh, my baby is naked.
I don't know why your baby is naked, Jenny.
Okay.
Stop it. Nobody wants to see that in the camera. Nobody wants to see it. And nobody can see that in the camera. Nobody wants to see it.
They still don't show me.
Oh, I see. You got money. I've seen another guy. No, this is probably just a clip. Yeah, we gotta skip. Yeah, because he was doing the money while he skipped.
No.
Why did you just put a bucket there? Whoa! Cool. Oh, that looked like he put a bucket on there, and then it just started doing that. Sorry. Hello?
Oh, it's y'all. Y'all look like little kids.
I'm 8. What do you do? What do you keep doing that? No, we're gonna do girls, okay? Okay. The girls are gonna love me. No. Huh? Hello?
Hey. Is you a boy or a girl?
I'm a boy, and she is a girl. And she is another girl.
Ah!
Let me see your face. The boy.
I'm the boy. What, do I look? No. Does this look like a bathroom to you? And do I look like a nut to you? You're too funny. Yeah. Heck. Yeah, we're just gonna skip this one. No! You told him. That looks like going to go to my mom's hand. Oh, it does? Yeah. Hello? Owie. What's up? Nothing? I can't hear what I don't. I can't hear what everybody is saying because Jenny's. Hello? Is this kid doing his homework? Is this kid a nerd like me?
You're not a nerd.
Yes,
Very
I am.
smart. Doesn't mean that you're a nerd. Just
Stop!
move your hand. It's a hello.
That reminds me. I was on here earlier, and I got in a YouTuber's video.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. A YouTube video. You're doing one now. So guys, we just doing it. Oh, this one from Columbus.
This one's from Columbus.
Yeah, this one's from Columbus. But I'm from Columbus. I'm from Columbus. I know.
You put your house.
I'm from
Subdivision,
the
Columbus.
I'm from the north side of Columbus.
I'm
Okay. And I'm going to bust my lights with this.
Don't do that. You want to have no light?
I don't got a hula hoop. What are you talking about? I got no hula hoop. Stop! Heck no!
Isaiah, shh. Hey, you loud, dude. I know you got
No! My sister is beating me with a neck pillow.
Stand up.
That's my baby.
Get me!
Where's Julie?
Get me!
Julie, watch this.
What?
Hello?
Man, why you putting that?
Hello?
Why you putting a bottle in that baby booty hole? Why you putting
Hello?
a bottle in that
Hello?
baby body hole?
Hello? Hello? Can you all be quiet?
Give me that baby bottle.
Be quiet! Quiet!
Why did you do
No, we're getting out of here, boys.
Stop.
Why did you do this?
Stop. You want to fight?
No.
You want to fight, little girl?
Hello? Hello?
Why did you just do that?
Oh, come here, little boy. Come here, little boy. Come here.
Yeah, he just maimed us on. He just maimed on us.
He did?
Yeah, he said, I like it, Kaji.
Why
No,
did
he
you
didn't
do
do the
that?
soft part, though.
Why did you do that?
Get me out of here. Get me.
I'm sick of you. Yeah, at my bedroom.
No, don't
Get out!
Don't try and kick her out in front of parents.
Stop. Get off me if I go to
Stop.
Get off of me. Oh,
Hello?
What?
leave me alone. Why
Nothing.
did you do that?
Just recording the video.
Why don't you cuss anymore?
Oh, Jesus. You're too funny.
What's good? Y'all not gonna say hey? Damn.
Hey. I have said something. Is something wrong with your internet?
How y'all doing?
Good.
Wait, doing good. Wait, that one good? What's this neck pillow? You hit me with that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hit me with it. No, I'll hit my computer with it. Get me. I can't even hear anybody. I can't hear what you're saying because everybody else is too loud.
You just threw my baby on the ground.
Your baby right there.
Oh, knock you out.
You gonna knock me out?
Yeah, baby.
Hello.
Dang! You doing your baby wrong.
Alright.
It's a fake baby.
Dang, Jenny. Dang, change it. Hello.
Don't want to be.
Hello.
We're gonna jump on it.
Why is the screen black?
Cause I blend in.
Oh. Okay.
You blend in?
How you doing?
Man, I blend in with the darkness.
You blend in with darkness. Okay. Janice, why do you have to ruin everything? Janice, why do you have to ruin everything? Stop it! Stop it! Stop! You need to stop. I'm gonna get my drink. I'm gonna be right back. What the heck is going on?
So this is what I'm gonna do.
What the? Am I not strong enough to pull this?
Let's go.
Alright.
So I don't do it now. So until you get back. Until you
Okay,
get back.
okay. Alright, we're back. Hello.
Wait.
She's Jaleaha and I'm Isaiah.
I'm baby.
And this is Janice.
No, this is baby.
This is No. You ruined the moment.
Set.
This is Jaleaha's idea.
They want my idea.
Yes, it was.
Y'all do not supposed to.
He's not talking.
No, that was not. It was not my idea to go on here. It was Jaleaha's idea. No.
They want my idea.
Your mom was on here. Huh? Yeah, but your mom was on here.
Alright. We'll get out of here. See, this is why I wanted to do, and this is what.
Jaleaha.
And you do not need to go to Omingo either. Omingo is not good. It's inappropriate.
Huh?
You do not need to go to Omingo. I seen it in the history. That drink is still inappropriate. I'm ready number 4. You won't go on now. But it's fun enough, but no.
You said it's fun.
Okay.
I
I don't know if I'm still failing. Alright,
Stop.
so that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. So anyway, bye guys. Bye guys.
Bye.